Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base website. This website is a mining website. In these days I share mining website because a lot of you comment me to share mining website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. This is the mining website. The mining website name is multimining, and this website link in description. Click the link and you can come here, register yourself. This is the all things of this website. Just I refresh the website one time. First, you are new, just click create account. You can create your account. You put your name, email and password, and you can make an account. Really easy way you can make account. Just solve this little capture. This one is very easy capture, and click create account. Put your wallet address in here, save your account email and password, and click start. Okay, after clicking start, this one is starting mining, and every hour pay you this much satoshi. Okay, and you can earn this much satoshi every hour. This man pay you least, but if you make it, you can collect your coin to your wallet and you can withdraw from here. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is this much. If this much reach, you can withdraw, and you can also buy a ash power. This is the all ash power you can buy, and you can earn much more from here. And you can affiliate program with your friends, your referral link, copy your referral link and paste for other people, and they can join with your referral link and they pay you with your referral link. Okay, this is the mining website. Just put your wallet address and wait until they're reaching the amount, and you can collect your coin to your wallet. Okay, this much coin, every minimum coin is this much coin. Okay, just solve the capture. If your mining is correct, you can make a withdrawal. Okay, this is the minimum amount. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. This website link in description. Watch my other videos. Goodbye.